Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is by Subella Hair. You guys, this beautiful body wave wig has bangs and it is 100% glueless and it is 100% beginner friendly. I cannot wait to show you guys how easy this wig was to install. I did not do any additional work. I didn't have to do any plucking, no bleaching, nothing. This is literally a straight out the box 30-second wig install. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Alright, so here is the wig. Once again, this wig is from Subella Hair, and this is their body wave unit that has top lace, and it also comes with bangs. Again, it is 100% glueless. That is the only little bit of lace that you guys have to worry about. It gives the wig a more natural look, being that it does have bangs, but I will give you guys another close-up of it in a few. Now, I have this wig in 26 inches, but all the specific information I will definitely have listed in the description box down below. That is what the inside of that wig looks like, so literally that's the only lace you have to worry about. The bottom is very breathable and comfortable, and of course you have that adjustable glueless strap so that any and everybody can wear this unit regardless if your head is big, small, or average. So the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto that lace. That way it could just look a little bit more like your scalp complexion. And then you're going to adjust the strap on that wig and throw her on. Make sure she's fitting okay. Now, I personally like to use the combs inside of my wig. However, that is completely up to you. You do not have to. The adjustable strap made this wig super secure, you guys. Like, it was snug, okay? She was not going anywhere. Okay, you guys, so technically the wig install is already done, okay? As I mentioned earlier, quick and easy, straight out the box. We did not have to do anything to it. So whatever you choose to do at this point is completely up to you. Now, obviously we took the wig straight out the box, so she does need some refreshing. So I will be brushing through the curls, but I'm also going to be refreshing them as well. I will be going in with my curling wand later on, but I'm also going to be using my wax stick and my hot comb just to help get rid of any flyaways that's at the top. Make sure she is super sleek and is laying as flat as possible. Okay, so now I'm just refreshing the curls. Now, the curls actually really did look really nice even after I brushed them out. So if you decide that you want to leave them that way, you can definitely do so. But I was actually on my way to a concert, Burna Boy's concert to be exact. So this was the perfect wig to throw on, being that I was going to be outside in the heat, so I don't have to worry about any additional work. However, I really wanted my hair to look polished, look like I just came from the salon. So I wanted to refresh the curls, which is really easy because all I had to use was my curling wand, and the hairspray that you guys saw me spraying on the unit was just some holding spray, just so you know the humidity doesn't get to the hair too much. But as far as the quality of the hair, you guys, this hair is so soft and it's so silky. Like right out the box, I did not have any tangling, I did not have any shedding or anything like that. It was a really good quality hair. And I also love the fact that this unit came with bangs, because I love me a good bang. I haven't rocked bangs in a minute, but I remember when I was going to school and stuff like that, bangs were my thing, okay? So I love a good unit with bangs, but I also love the fact that this particular unit has the lace at the top. That way it's still giving you a little scalp action and she's still looking extremely natural. Alright, so both sides are finished now, but as you guys can see, I'm going back in with my wax stick because I really wanted to make sure that the top of the wig was not only laying flat, but I wanted to get rid of any additional flyaways or anything like that. Like, I wanted her to look sleek and I really wanted her to look polished. I'm also going to be adding a little bit more makeup onto that lace. That way it's blending really nicely and is giving my skin color complexion. Alright, so now it's time for my favorite part. We're going to work on the bangs. Now do not put any product on the bangs, you guys. Don't put any oil, don't put any wax stick, don't put any hairspray if you want it to look like nice and fluffy. That's how I wanted it to look. I did not want my bangs to be sleeked down. I didn't think that was gonna look cute. So all I used was my flat iron and I just gave them a quick little bump. And as you guys can see, the bangs were just a little bit too long for me, so I did have to cut them off camera. I only did a little bit at a time, so like I would cut a little bit and then recurl it, that way I could see what it's looking like, because the last thing you want to do is mess it up. So that is how it came out. I did not really have to do that much because remember, we're adding some bumping to it. And you guys, this was the final look. Tell me this is not cute. This was super cute, and I wore this unit to the concert as I mentioned earlier, and I loved it. I loved it. I loved the entire look that it was giving. The hair held up really, really well, even though it was extremely humid outside, but she did really good. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you guys are interested in this unit, please make sure you check out my description box. I will have the direct link to this wig as well as all of Subella's hair information. They really snap with this unit. This unit is beautiful. The bang action, the scalp action with that little bit of lace. The hair is nice and silky. And remember, you guys, this is 26 inches, so she's a goodie. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.